Well, good afternoon. The snow has melted. We had a nice major winter event here in Portland, Oregon last week. And at first, when it was on the 7-day forecast, we were all excited to be getting some sort of snow. You can see there's a little bit left here and there. But this snowstorm kind of ruined me for snow and convinced me that if for some reason I had to move to Maui, I would never miss winter again. At the end, we had about 10 inches of powder on the flat ground. The temperatures were in the mid to upper 20s. That was fun to play in. However, there were some winds. And then on top of that, we had a good inch to an inch and a half of ice glaze over everything, which then subsequently caused a power outage. We were without power for 4 days. Fortunately, we had a generator that powered the wood stove fan, a lamp in the living room, internet, and TV. Had plenty of wood for the wood stove, and the gas water heater is gas, and so we had hot water for showers. So it wasn't completely miserable. Many more people were far worse off. I felt bad for them. But yeah, let's take a look back, and I took some videos of the snowstorm, and let's relive it together. Look at this blizzard! February 2021 blizzard. It's been going all day. It's been blowing. It's about 24-25 degrees out. And how many inches?
Almost 8 inches.
Almost 8 inches? I cleared this sidewalk about a half hour ago and salted it. And since then, looks like well, you can see these footprints here. Probably about 3 inches. And, whew, yeah, it's 2 inches, not 8 inches. Pia's really good with numbers. So anyway, they say we haven't even seen the heavy stuff yet. Tonight is gonna be really, they say probably about a foot. Anyway, we'll do another update soon. Whew. Maybe drive around a little bit more.
How cold is it?
It's very cold.
When you sit in the drinks. We'll go over
So February 13th, 2021, Portland snowpocalypse blizzard.
I went in there and brought it inside. It was frozen. It's, 30 degrees. I have a drying rack, and I'm like, yeah, you spin linoleum. Yeah.
So it came like they said it would.
I have a drying rack, and I'm like,
It's 27 out. It's cold and windy.
I went out to measure, and I didn't pull the top of my jeans up, and my hands got
Come here, I need to spray some sunscreen on you.
No. Hey, Dad, on my glove.
I forgot to videotape Pia's snow driving lesson.
101.
She rocked it. Thank you very much.
She did. How you boys doing? Say hello, YouTube.
We are dead. We almost got in a car accident.
We didn't
not.
almost get in a car accident. What are you talking about?
Accident. Or even close to a car accident.
27 degrees and rain, so it means we're getting freezing rain.
Balls, go on, why'd you hit me in the ball?
This guy's just walking right in the middle of the street.
Get demonetized. You're gonna get demonetized.
Yep.
It's still like you.
Go around, hon. Go on the berm. Alright, we're back in it.
Woohoo!
This thing handles really well.
Yeah.
There you go. That's how you sled. I love it.
Was that kid in a laundry basket?
Hey man, you gotta improvise. The kid wants to sled, the kid wants to sled. Use what you got. You can also use a plastic garbage can lid.
It's still cold. It's cold. It's snowy. Oh, man. Hey, Tim. Look at all that snow. Whew. Makes me a little... This parenting makes me thirsty. Oh, look at this. Well, this surely looks refreshing here. Oh, there we go. Ice cold Bud Light. I highly recommend it. Yeah, it just piled up and piled up. Backyard had 9 inches in the flat of the lawn. Snow drifts are up to about 3 feet in places. Look at this car over here. Look at them. This car is buried. It wouldn't go anywhere. So yeah. February 2021 blizzard. It's gonna get warmer tomorrow supposedly and start melting, and we'll see how long that takes. Whew, bitter cold. It is bitter cold. Day 4 of the February 2021 winter weather event. That turned over to freezing rain yesterday. And we have no electricity on this side of the street. The other side of the street was saved by luck. But thankfully it's starting to melt. Look at these. Whew. Try not to fall on my butt. How much ice we have here. It's beautiful, but it knocks the power out, and that surely sucks. It's about 10 inches of snow up here, and about an inch of ice on it. Look at that. So they have power over there. We don't have power here. About 5:30 a.m. I heard a big pop and saw a flash in the sky, and that was it. All right. See you when it thaws.